Hello developers, welcome to the next video tutorial on Flutter development series for beginners. In this tutorial, we will learn about map, map in Dart. So let's get started. Map, map is a collection of key value pairs. I repeat, it's a collection of key and value where each key is unique. That means map does not allow duplicate keys. Here is the syntax of map, map class, key type, value type, the name of map variable, and inside curly bracket, key, value, key, value, and so on. We can perform many operations on map such as length, keys, values, contains key, and contains values. So let's get coding to understand better with the help of examples. So I'll jump into Android Studio. So here I have created one file map tutorial, and now let's quickly write code for main method. So void main and body of main method. Now our main method is ready. Let's create one map. So here I'll use map and then type of key I'm taking int, value type also I'm taking int, and then name of map variable num equal curly bracket. So this is the syntax of map and it's a empty map. So let's assign some values. So I have assigned keys 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Values 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So let's print it. To access map value we have to pass key. Okay, so I'll use print method to print map. So print here name of map variable num and square bracket. Inside square bracket we have to pass the name of key. Okay, here the key name is 1. I'm giving 1. Now let's check output. I'm running it. See, we can see output 10. Here for this key 1, the value is 10. Let's print one more value. This time I'll pass key name is now. This time I'm passing key 5. Let's check output. So here we can see 50. To print to print whole map we can use for each loop. So I'll use num dot for each, and here key value inside this loop I can print key, I can print key and value. So I'm just going to comment out this and this one also. Let's check output. So as we can see 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40 and fifth 50. So this is the way to print whole map. Let's create one dynamic map. Okay. So for that, to create dynamic map, I'll use var keyword var, and then the name of variable I'm taking product equal curly bracket. Here id I'm taking integer type. So 1, 10. So this is one of the way to create dynamic map with the help of var keyword. Let's print it. So again I'll use for each method. So let me copy this to save time, and here I can pass product, and this one I'm going to comment out. Now let's check output. I'm running it. Here we can see output. Now next let's perform these operations. So first length. Length length variable returns the length of map. Here I'm taking one variable var length equals to product dot length. And now let's print length. It will return the length of product map. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of this map is 4. So it will return 4. Let's check output. Here we can see 4. Next operation keys. So if you want to print all keys, then we can use var keys equal product dot keys. It will return all keys. Let's print it. Print keys. Now let's check output. Here we can see one, name, version and bool. Here these are the keys: one, name, version and bool. To print to print all values, I can use print product dot values. Okay, let's check output. Here we can see values. Next operation contains key. Okay, so contains key. This method is used to check whether key is there in map or not. Okay, let's check here. So if num dot contains key, I'm checking key 4. Okay, and then it should print key 4 is there in map, else print key 4 is not there in map. Let's check output. I'm running it. Here we can see key 4 is there in map. Key 4 is there in map. Okay, let's also check values. So if num dot contains value I'm checking 30, and here I can print value 30 is there in num map, else print value 30 value 30 is not there in num map. Okay, now let's check output. Here we can see value 30 is there in map. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.